Just a quick vehicle check and ready to go.
Starting route to South Devon area of outstanding natural beauty.
I have a flashback from last week. I hope I'm not gonna rip my splitter off again. I hope not. So we arrived. No damage to the car, but there's one issue. One little issue. The beach is gone. It used to be a beach here, very nice beach. You could walk across. Only on the low tide. At the low tides. Now it's a high tide, so you can't really walk. So today I could have stayed home because I could have used excuses such as bad weather, rain, cold, feeling ill. But instead I decided to go outside because I'd much rather be sick surrounded by beautiful places and beautiful scenery than being at home. And also I got inspired by people I know from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and I hope I can inspire some of you guys to be more adventurous and go outside, explore. Because life is very short, you never know when it's gonna end. But there are so many places to see. You don't have to go far away. I only traveled 35 minutes away from my house, and you can believe me that there are some beautiful places surrounded by your area, so you don't have to fly all the way to England. You just have to find them. Finally, the weather is adequate to the time of the year, unfortunately, but autumn is nice as well. Why not? What is this? What is this up in the sky? It's sunshine! Some people are actually doing some surfboarding over there. I think I captured them a little bit with my drone. You know if you know. Every time I walk on the coast in Devon, I just can't believe how beautiful it is. I've been living here for 14 years and only discovered it just a couple months ago. I'm not gonna chase you. Bloody hell. There's quite a few of them. Hello ladies. Hello. Hello. Bigbury On Sea is over there, that island, which I don't know what it's called, but you can see, you can cross it. Anyway, this place is beautiful. It's a bit windy. I flew my drone anyway, but yeah, it's a bit too windy. Time to go back now. So I'm really glad that inspired me to be more active and be outside with nature. Although there's loads of shit, but nature is very beautiful and it's very therapeutic. What hikers don't say about beautiful places is that sometimes it's hard to get to the beautiful places, and sometimes, just sometimes, it's uphill. But I would do it again, just for the views. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. I upload videos every week. I try to. So if you like to see them in future, please leave a like and subscribe. And thank you for your support. That was our happy cow. Happy cow. Just like in Switzerland. Not a big difference. Nature is my middle name. Almost got to my car. It's not maybe 2 kilometers this way, and now we can see the beach. when it's low tide, you can actually walk all the way there, and it's really, really nice. What tides? Tides are affected by the moon. The moon is that brown thing that you see at night in the sky, and because of that, sometimes water comes in, sometimes water comes out. fun facts with Damien. Enjoy. This is very lovely. Have you ever seen the movie Alfred Hitchcock? I think it's called Birds. It's an old movie. So, we've walked all the way from here, the coast, all the way there, it's farther. I think probably we got somewhere over here. And I think the first drone footage was somewhere around here. The second one must have been there. And I think the third one was I took on the way back over here. Yeah, and that's it. It was a lovely day. I'm glad that I got out from house because I feel much better now. Time to have some lunch. I definitely need some love. Maybe tomorrow. It's a bit filthy. Very filthy. It's a food festival in my village today. Another fun fact, because I'm very generous, this shop used to be bank, Lloyd's Bank. Fun facts with Damien.